All right, back on the Camaro. It charged overnight. It's fully charged. Xander went to get the key. We're going to fire this baby up, see what she does, and then go from there. Right, Xander?
Yeah.
Yeah, eh?
Dude, it's so different, like, walking in there and it being cool.
Oh, because we have a swamp cooler that works now? Because you and I went up on the roof together. Fire in the hole. Well, we're running. All right. Keep it running, Xander. It's running at idle, and it's got 14.3 being output from the alternator. At idle, that's a little on the high side, I would feel. But it is working. So let's let her run and get up to temp and see what we got. I'm a little curious. We'll load test the battery here in a little bit too. Yeah, and 14.3, 14.4. I think we figured out the issue.
That's
No.
the issue. No.
Shh. Can hear the horn relay. Now, see, that went on and it's not turning off.
Yeah.
Because the contact's like a hair trigger. And the horn is hooked up, but remember, the horn itself is dead.
Do whatever you were doing. Yep. You're going from 13.4 to 13.3, back and forth.
Yep, so it's the horn relay.
Yep.
The horn relay's stuck. So we're going to unhook that. And then we'll let it sit here overnight and check it in the morning. But Kyle might be able to come get it in the morning.
Yeah, definitely.
But that's basically, that's warranted.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So I ain't worried about it. Yeah, no big deal. Cool. So, because we know it's on a hair trigger. Because remember that one night you said you came back here?
Oh, yeah, the horn was just going off like crazy.
Yeah. But yeah. All right, so we'll get the relay unhooked for now.
And order another relay.
And we'll get a relay. Well, we got to go through this too, because it shouldn't be a hair trigger. We got to figure out why that's like that. But that'll be when Kyle brings it back to do the rest of the stuff.
Exactly.
All right, so we know where we're at.
Definitely our problem. This thing is scorching, scalding hot. So, all right, for now, that will suffice. And we'll get with him, get things figured out.
Your horn is putting down the window and just screaming out the window.
Yeah, horn broke. Watch your finger.